Shino Kids! CVC sentences with short U sound. He can tug. He can tug. Now your turn. He can tug. A bug is on a tub. A bug is on a tub. Now your turn. A bug is on a tub. A nut is in the mug. A nut is in the mug. Now your turn. A nut is in the mug. A bug is on the bud. A bug is on the bud. Now your turn. A bug is on the bud. It is fun in the bus. It is fun in the bus. Now your turn. It is fun in the bus. Is it a cup or a mug? Is it a cup or a mug? Now your turn. Is it a cup or a mug? A cub is in the hut. A cub is in the hut. Now your turn. A cub is in the hut. The pig is in the mud. The pig is in the mud. Now your turn. The pig is in the mud. He dug and dug the mud. He dug and dug the mud. Now your turn. He dug and dug the mud. Tim dug the bug out of the jug. Tim dug the bug out of the jug. Now your turn. Tim dug the bug out of the jug. Good job, kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can practice reading all the sentences in one go by pausing this video. Amazing, kids! You have successfully read the CVC sentences with short U sound. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.